Umhla wokuqala kuDisemba kuqatshelwa usuku lwentsholongwane kagawulayo kwihlabathi ngokubanzi kwaye urhulumente weli uye aphawule ngendima esele igangathiwe susela oko lentsholongwane yasulela abemi beli, ukanti ikwaba lithuba kubemi beli abaphila nentsholongwane kagawulayo lokubalisa ihambo yabo nokuphila nale ntsholongwane kagawulayo. Apha estudio still nomlungisi Zondi eza kusibalisela ngebali lakhe. Mlungisi, masibulele ngexesha lakho.
Sawubona usisi kunjani?
Ndiyaphila. Into neyakhuthaza mlungisi ekubeni ubalise ngebali lakho lokusuleleka yintsholongwane i-HIV kwanokungena kwakhe entolongweni. Bufuna abantu bafunde ntoni kwibali lakho?
Sisi komunye umuntu ongangazi, umlungisi is a HIV activist, HIV counselor, HIV ambassador, I'm a coach. I'm living with HIV for 19 years. I'm open. Buka ngimuhle kanjani. Ngenxa ama ARVs I'm glowing because I'm taking 1 pill a day. Thatha lento anamgozi 1 pill a day. Umlungisi is a product of rape. Ubaba ngimazi till today. Umlungisi is a rape survivor. I was gang rape 5 men. I was contracted to HIV. Umlungisi is a ex-convict. I was sentenced for life at the age of 16 years. Umlungisi is the extra editor, smoke nyawupe more than 7 years. Umlungisi is the author, wrote 10 books. Umlungisi is a motivational speaker. Into engenzile ubuhlungu. Kunezinye izinto oyilanda ebuhlungwini ukuze ufike la ufuna ukufika khona. Mina ngizala umama obedla ama drugs ukuze ngifike la ngifika khona. Ngicala ukudla ama drugs at the age of 8 years. Ngina 14 years I'm notorious. Ngiphatha 4 yebhama. Ngina 16 years was sentenced for life in prison. Impilo yami.
Mlungethuba ufumanisa uba u-HIV positive kwakuthatha ixesha elingakanani ukwamkela nanjengoko usithi wakhe wazama ukuthatha ubomi bakho?
Sisi kungithathe isikhathi esiningi. Khumbula mina ngitholanga angizalanga nayo HIV, angitholanga ngesex. Just I was raped by 5 men. Ngadla ngolamadoda ayi5 in prison. I'm a first man. Ngumuntu oqala eSouth Africa as a man came out and stated the word ukuthi I was gang rape. Ngumuntu oqala eSouth Africa ophumela obala. I'm a co-founder with Patrick Shai khuluma ndoda program. Thina amadoda sikhuluma. Kungithatha isikhathi eside sisi. Ngoba ngazama ngaphakathi ejele ukuthola umuntu ozongimotivate ukuthi umlungisi ngikhohlwa kanjani ngidlula kanjani kulesimo ngibhekene naso. Ngahlule ngabona ukuthi i-option elula for me is suicide. I tried commit suicide 3 times. Ngahlala kwi-coma 3 weeks. Wathi uNkulunkulu no mlungisi akusona isikhathi lesi sokuhamba. But living with the HIV journey, ukuphila ne-HIV akukho lula, but ngiyaphila mina mama. Manje ngoJanuary ngicelebrate 20 years living with HIV. Buka ngimuhle kanjani ngenxa ama ARVs. Thatha lento anamgozi 1 pill a day.
Xa ujongile mlungu istigma sinjani ingakumbi kwi-clinic ezisezilokishini ngoba kumaxesha amaninzi abantu abayonqena ukuthatha ipilisi zabo?
Ngifisa ukuyiveza lento sisi ukuthi umsebenzi wasemningi especially endaweni zasemakhaya ngifuna ukukhuluma nomuntu positive or once umuntu waba positive abayiyekele especially abantu basemakhaya or nasemalokishini. Once waba positive ufuna ukuthwasa ufuna ukuthi iyekele uzoshona usuloyiwe wena from nini usuloyiwe thatha lento ayinamgozi nophi kusekhona lento basayitshena ukuthi once umuntu waba positive uloyiwe. Number 2 ngifuna ukuveza le ndaba estigma. Yingakho sinama program yokuthi siye emphakathini sokukhuluma nabantu ukuthi say no to stigma. Yabo siyaphila ne-HIV. I-HIV ingashaya umakhelwane, ingashaya umngane wakho, ingashaya wonke umuntu. I-HIV siphila nayo but siyaphila.
Wagotya ubomi entolongweni, yintoni eyakungenisa khona?
Mina ngingene ejele nge-armed and robbery murder, ngene at the age of 16 years. Singene su7 besiboshwele i-heist ka 5 million. Besiphuma eShoprite masithi siyaphuma awuphumeki. Masithi siyaphuma sadubula. Masidubula zaphela inhlamvu. Sabona ukuthi ukuze ukhone ukuthi usurvive kusabiza ukuthi surrender. Masisurrender sabona sabanjwa saboshwa. Abangani bami bonke age bona bebebadala sabanjwa saboshwa. Mina bangithatha bangise place of safe, ngasuka place of safe ngaye juvenile. Mangisuka ejuvenile ngaye adult. Mangifika adult la ngifike khona ngaba i-victim rape. Yingakho manje sithi say no to GBV. I-GBV is not about women and child. Kunobaba manje usethaveni ngo12 o'clock. Akekho happy. Akekho baba ongahlala ethaveni ngo-12 o'clock ehappy. Inkinga sikhulumi thina bobaba, sifela ngaphakathi. I-GBV uhulumeni ngicela ilungise le ndaba yokuthi it's not about women and child, not men. Siyahlukumezeka but akukho siphuza asithandi. Abantoda ayaphuza hayi ngoba bethanda. Inkinga akekho umuntu ofuna ukusilalela.
Mlu, enkosi kakhulu bhuti, siyabulela ngexesha lakho.
Ngibonga kakhulu sisi wami.